Chandan Taparia, the derivatives and technical analyst from Motilal Oswal, joins us on the show. He's joining us to talk to us about what would it mean for the markets when the holiday has turned from Thursday to Wednesday. And that's exactly my first question, Chandan. What kind of impact do you anticipate on the rollovers? What kind of momentum you're seeing in the markets now?
Yeah, so a couple of things we need to keep in mind. First, many participants, they were in the plan to take the holiday by tomorrow, but now they'll be working tomorrow and then holiday will be day after tomorrow. So two things I see change. First, usually what happens, as you are near to the expiry, there are chances that some volatility may be there. And now we understand that tomorrow is the expiry. So there is the less volatility of gap up, gap down after one day. Usually what happens if there is the holidays in between, or like usually what happens if there is Saturday, Sunday, and then market opens on Monday, then there is chances that something may happen overnight in holiday. What happens because of that? Your India VIX has corrected. If you notice, in last 1 hour already VIX was down, but recently in last half an hour we have seen correction in VIX from 11.25 to below 11 level. So volatility cooled down and premium slightly declined because now we have to manage only for overnight positions for any kind of writing and strategy. So this one thing we have seen as a changes. But otherwise, if you look at overall, as volatility is not much and market got stuck, so there is no bigger impact in the option premium or option chain. So now what happens? There was some confusion that mid-cap Nifty is today or tomorrow, but already exchange I think announced for today expiry, so that will happen today. So even I need the clarification for the same. Usually mid-cap Nifty expiry happens on Wednesday, but already they announced for a Tuesday, being keeping in mind of the Wednesday expiry. So today is the mid-cap expiry and the Fin Nifty expiry, and Nifty Pen Nifty expiry will be tomorrow. So slight decline in the premium and decline in the India VIX and the volatility we have seen, because now option writer has to manage for one day gap up gap down rather than waiting for entire one day for the Thursday gap up gap down stance in the market.
That clearly explains it. So the mid-cap, expiry will happen today, of course. The Nifty, Bank Nifty will be tomorrow. And that possibility of a bigger gap down and gap up goes away. So that's the word coming in. But Chandan, before I let you go, could you talk to us about how it will impact the options as well in terms of the time value or the decay time, since that is getting preponed by a day? Do you see a big impact in decay value as well?
No, I don't see big delay. Actually, I was closely watching all the immediate option writing, option strike. So usually what happens when you have one more day to expiry, then premium decay fast. So I believe that even nearby strikes decay will be there. So for an example, Nifty is now trading near to 18,750 and 18,650 put is now near to 14. So I believe even if market remains there, this premium will decay by more than 50-60% from current level. So decay will be fast towards the close, because gap up gap down only will be for tomorrow play. So otherwise, if expiry would have been on after one day, then decay might not be. But now there will be huge decay in nearby or OTM strike. So option writer will get benefit out of that.
Chandan, so that's the word coming in. Appreciate you joining us on the show with that quick take of the impact on the move coming in on account of the holiday change on expiry as well. We'll let you go on that note.